Hi everyone, my name is Polanco, code uh, 70019, and this is my first video post of the third trimester talking about installation art. Well, installation art. What is installation art? Installation art is a new genre of art when the artist uses basically mostly the concept of the three dimension to work. The artist usually select a specific place to work and design these structures to play with the perception of the people and sometimes with the mind. Generally, this term is applied to interior spaces, but there are some that are in exteriors, and I kind of going to talking about later. Well, this kind of art is called public art, land art, or invention art in other places. Well, want to make mention of really interesting fact of this kind of art. Well, with the improvement of the technology, this kind of art has an evolution. Now, there are projects to visit these specific places with quotation in a virtual environment. I want to make mention of one project in Iowa that is called Project Boyle, that is basically this kind of virtual environment using virtual reality glasses, one jacket, and sometimes gloves to interact with this kind of structure I mentioned to that play with the perception on the mind more deeply, and have this kind of experience having scenarios or structures that basically you can't have in the reality. Well, by using a virtual reality as a medium, immersive virtual reality, art is probably the most deeply interact for the art. Well, installation art is a really interesting kind of art because they are more deeply and more complex. There are different kinds of thinking of feelings that you can express with this with, with this kind of art. Another advantage I can see with this kind of art is you transform a physical space and becomes powerful, interesting, really beautiful. Well, thanks everyone for watch. Goodbye.